Hi everyone, today we are doing shape lacing activity for kids. The needed materials are mentioned below. First we begin with drawing our shapes. For the circle, we are using the lid of a bottle to trace the perfect round shape. This makes it easy and neat. Next, using a scale, we are drawing a square. Then we will draw a triangle. You can add more shapes if you like, but these basic shapes are great for beginners. Once the shapes are outlined, carefully cut them out using scissors. Now comes an important step, punching holes. Using the punching tool, start making small holes along the border of each shape. Try to keep the holes evenly spaced and in a straight line. For the circle, make sure the holes follow the curve smoothly. The more evenly spaced the holes are, and the better the final lacing will look. Once all holes are ready, we move to the lacing part. Take your yarn and cut a length that is comfortable for your child to handle, not too long and not too short. Now insert the yarn into the plastic needle. Start from the bottom hole, insert the needle through the hole and pull it gently from the other side. Then move to the next hole and repeat the process. Keep going in and out, hole by hole, slowly lacing around the entire shape. Children will enjoy watching the shape slowly get outlined with colorful yarn. This activity has so many benefits. It improves hand-eye coordination because children have to guide the needle carefully into each hole. It strengthens fine motor skills, which are very important for writing. It builds concentration and patience, and most importantly, it keeps children engaged in a meaningful, screen free way. Once you reach the last hole, simply secure the yarn at the back with tape. You don't need to cut a new yarn every time. You can tape and neatly reuse the shape again later. And that's it, a simple, reusable educational activity made from basic materials at home. Comment below how much fun it was, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.